know a place where the coal is really dark now.
Buddy, we're 30 minutes late.
Let's take this one. Hoppa.
That one?
Yeah. Dude, you could at least wash my boots off for me when I'm done riding.
People want to see this.
That would have been crazy. And then you're gonna be like, I'm not riding.
You'll clean your boots.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
He's doing a wraparound. Alright, helmet.
I was about to say helmet.
Goggles. Helmet.
Helmet. Knee brace. Helmet. You're in movie mode, it gets dark, so. Because it's supposed to be cinematic.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We finally made it. Look who it is. No one knows who this guy is. This is his first appearance.
Yes, sir.
Good old M. Nessie.
Hell yeah. I'm ready for a pro.
That's good sandwich. You're eating good out here.
Gotta go grab the burger.
Dude.
I want one.
Yeah. You. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to flashbang you. Flash up.
9 bang.
Like laboratory people. Dude, he's got the Grit Reaper 3000. Alright, Jake. Take a sip. Butt chug. Yo, vlog that.
Hey, buddy.
He's still alive in here, bro. You ready for dirt bikes?
It is cold.
He is cocooned up with. Oh, good thing I left all of them.
Took the socks off.
You're
Putting this
tripping.
back on. That's a big mistake.
Them dogs were barking on it, shivering actually.
You're sleeping better.
This is how to start a two-stroke in 12-degree weather.
Without flooding it.
This thing's... No! Stop! No! On my backpack, dude! Bro,
I'm trying to get my bike to stay upright.
on my bag. Here we are. on the trail.
Hang on, don't pull it with my finger. Hang on.
Good old two-stroke.
Hang on. Pull it up. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But that doesn't
dude,
solve anything,
dude, I got
because
that.
It keeps throwing it right off.
I got that though.
But I got it on a clip.
I got
Show
the
my mom.
Show that to my mom.
I mean, I guess if you just ride woody carefully.
Yeah.
Jake's bike broke. Now we're waiting here.
What?
10 years later. There goes my hero.
What's that?
Clip it. He's like, all right, I didn't have any tools.
Alright guys, at 8, I came back around.
Look at him. He's whittling away.
Coming down the trail.
Yeah. Oh, dude, we never got him.
Damn.
See, that's why my channel's not tough. Because I don't have those little clips like that. Alright. Like and subscribe for more.
Yeah.
I tried, but you know it.